fear of failure, something we all know, something we all face. But here's the truth, the fear of failure is not something to run from. It's not a weakness, it's your greatest asset. You see, failure is not the end of the road. It's the beginning of your story. Every successful person you've ever looked up to, they didn't get there without failing. And they didn't get there by being fearless. They got there by facing fear head on and using it as fuel. When you're afraid to fail, that fear is telling you you're about to grow. You're about to step into something bigger than you've ever done before. And guess what? That's exactly what you need. We're all afraid of falling. We're all afraid of looking stupid. We're all afraid of judgment. But it's that fear that sharpens you, that prepares you for what's to come. The greatest achievements in life are born from overcoming those fears, one failure at a time. The fear of failure is not a roadblock. It's a reminder that you're pushing past your limits, pushing past your comfort zone, and becoming something better. Failure is not the enemy, it's a teacher. And if you let it, failure will teach you more about yourself than any success ever could. You might fall, but you're not down. You're not defeated. You're being shaped, you're being molded into the person you were always meant to be. So don't fear failure. Embrace it. Let it be your fuel, your drive, and your path to greatness. Because on the other side of that fear, on the other side of failure, is the life you've been working for. Fear of failure. It's that voice in your head that tells you to stay in your comfort zone, that holds you back from taking the next step. But what if I told you that voice is actually your biggest asset? That the fear you feel is not meant to stop you, but to push you. It's a sign that you're on the edge of something great. The very thing you're afraid of is the thing that will lead you to growth. Every time you fear failure, you're standing at the threshold of transformation, a place where everything you want in life is just on the other side. Think about it. Every great achievement, every breakthrough, every success story you've heard, it didn't come from a place of certainty or comfort. It came from the willingness to take risks, to step out when the outcome wasn't guaranteed, to fail and get back up again. And that's where the power lies. Failure teaches you resilience. It teaches you to push past limitations, to rethink your strategies, and to stay the course when everyone else gives up. So stop running from fear. Stop running from failure. Instead, learn to run toward it, because that's where your strength lies. That's where your growth begins. The fear of failure isn't a curse. It's a blessing. It's the universe telling you that you are meant for more, and that the journey ahead, no matter how tough, will be worth every step. The truth is simple. You can't succeed if you're not willing to fail. You can't reach the next level if you're not willing to fall down and get back up. And when you embrace failure as your greatest asset, you unlock the strength, courage, and wisdom that will carry you through anything life throws your way. Don't just live in fear of failure. Let it fuel you, let it drive you, and watch as it transforms your life. The fear of failure is often seen as a negative force, but in reality, it can be one of the most powerful assets in personal growth and success. This fear, rather than paralyzing you, signals that you are on the verge of a breakthrough. It indicates that you are pushing your boundaries and stepping outside your comfort zone, which is where true progress occurs. Every successful individual has encountered failure along the way. They did not succeed by avoiding failure, but by learning from it and using it as a stepping stone to future success. Failure teaches valuable lessons about resilience, adaptability, and perseverance, which are essential qualities for achieving long-term goals. Rather than fearing failure, we should embrace it as a necessary part of the journey. It's a teacher guiding us to improve, innovate, and grow stronger. The most successful people understand this concept. They take calculated risks and understand that setbacks are simply part of the path toward achieving greatness. Ultimately, failure provides clarity. It forces us to assess our methods, refine our strategies, and become better equipped to handle future challenges. Those who are not afraid to fail are often the ones who achieve the most, because they understand that failure is not a permanent condition, but a temporary setback on the way to success. Thus, rather than avoiding failure, we should welcome it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and ultimately succeed. Failure is not something to fear, it's something to embrace. It's the foundation of growth, the catalyst for change, and the true test of character. We live in a world that tells us to avoid failure at all costs, to seek perfection, and to strive for success without setbacks. But the truth is, the fear of failure is actually our greatest asset, because it motivates us to rise above challenges and push ourselves beyond what we thought was possible. Think about it. Every person who has ever accomplished something great has encountered failure along the way. It wasn't their achievements that defined them, it was their ability to rise after falling. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of the process. It's the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. The fear of failure is what sparks the fire of perseverance. It's the reason we stay up late working on that project, the reason we get back up after we've been knocked down, the reason we keep going even when the odds are stacked against us. Without that fear, there would be no urgency, no drive, and no progress. We would stay stuck, afraid to take risks or try anything new. But failure teaches us so much. It teaches us to be humble, to be patient, and to be resourceful. Every time you fall, you learn something new about yourself, about your abilities, and about the world around you. And when you finally succeed, that victory is so much sweeter because you know you earned it through perseverance and grit. So the next time you face failure or feel afraid of it, remember, it's not the end. It's just the beginning of a new chapter in your journey. Embrace it, learn from it, and watch as it becomes the driving force behind your success. Failure is not a barrier. It's a powerful tool. The fear of failure is often seen as something that stops us in our tracks, but in truth, it's one of the most valuable assets we have. It ignites a fire within us to be better, to push harder, and to rise above our circumstances. Failure doesn't define us. Our response to failure does. It's how we handle setbacks that reveals our true strength. Consider this. Every time you face a challenge or stumble in your path, you're being given a chance to grow. When you feel that fear of failure creeping in, it's your opportunity to develop resilience, learn new strategies, and approach the problem from a fresh perspective. Without failure, we would never experience growth because growth only comes when we step outside of our comfort zones and face adversity head on. Think of all the successful people you admire, whether they're athletes, entrepreneurs, or public figures. None of them got to where they are by avoiding failure. They succeeded because they were willing to fail, to take risks, and to learn from their mistakes. Failure was not a stop sign, it was a stepping stone. The fear of failure, when harnessed correctly, can drive you to prepare better, work harder, and stay focused. It keeps you hungry for success, pushing you to go further than you ever thought possible. And here's the truth. Each time you fail, you're one step closer to success. Because failure doesn't stop you, it teaches you, strengthens you, and prepares you for what's ahead. So instead of fearing failure, start embracing it. Don't let it hold you back. Let it be the force that drives you forward, the thing that challenges you to be the best version of yourself. The fear of failure is not the enemy. It's the key to unlocking your true potential. Failure is a powerful and necessary part of life, yet it's something many of us fear deeply. But here's the truth. The fear of failure is not a burden to carry. It is your greatest asset. It drives you to rise, to push harder, and to never settle for less than your best. In the face of failure, most people see an end, but if you change your perspective, failure becomes the beginning of your greatest triumphs. When you fear failure, it forces you to take action. It urges you to be better prepared, to strategize, and to give your all. It's the fear of failure that pushes you to stay up late working on that project, to go the extra mile when others give up, to keep fighting even when the odds are against you. Without fear, we would have no drive, no sense of urgency, and no reason to grow. Fear sparks the desire to improve, to adapt, and to innovate. Failure, in all its forms, holds lessons. It teaches you resilience, patience, and the value of persistence. The path to success is not a straight line. There are setbacks, obstacles, and moments when it seems like everything is falling apart. But it is during these moments of failure that your true strength is forged. Every failure is an opportunity for growth, every setback an invitation to become better. It's through failure that we learn our greatest lessons and find the courage to rise again. Remember, no one who has ever achieved greatness has done so without experiencing failure. Success is built upon a foundation of failures, and those who fail and keep going are the ones who reach the pinnacle of achievement. The fear of failure doesn't stop you. It's what pushes you to become the person you were meant to be. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide you toward your success, because the greatest asset in life is not avoiding failure, but mastering the art of rising after it. Failure is not a curse, it's a blessing in disguise. It's a powerful force that shapes us, molds us, and prepares us for the future we are destined for. The fear of failure is not something to shy away from, but something to embrace, because it's within that fear that the seeds of greatness are planted. The truth is, you can't have success without failure, and those who fear failure the most often find themselves growing the most. When we fear failure, we're actually acknowledging that we're about to step into something big, something meaningful. Failure is the universe's way of telling you that you're moving towards something greater. If you're not failing, you're probably not pushing yourself hard enough. It's that fear, that pressure, that discomfort which drives you to get better, to prepare more thoroughly, and to keep pushing forward no matter how many times you stumble along the way. Each failure you face teaches you valuable lessons that success could never provide. It's through failing that you develop resilience, build patience, and gain a deeper understanding of what it takes to succeed. The most successful people in the world didn't achieve greatness by avoiding failure. They achieved it because they were willing to fail, to fall, and to keep going until they reached their goal. They use failure as a tool for learning, growing, and adapting, and that's exactly what you should do too. So the next time fear grips you and you feel like you might fail, remember this: failure isn't a sign that you're not good enough. It's a sign that you're on the right path, learning what works and becoming stronger each time. Embrace the fear of failure, because on the other side of it lies everything you've ever dreamed of. The greatest asset you have in life is your willingness to fail and rise again. Failure is not something to dread, it's something to celebrate. In fact, the fear of failure is one of the most valuable assets you can possess. The reason is simple. Fear is a signal that you are challenging yourself, that you are stepping outside your comfort zone, and that you're on the verge of something bigger than you ever imagined. The fear of failure doesn't signify weakness, it signifies growth, potential, and opportunity. It is that fear that drives us to work harder, to push through adversity, and to dig deep when the odds are stacked against us. We've all faced it: the doubt, the anxiety, the worry of failing at something we care about. But failure is not the enemy, it's the mentor, the guide, the teacher. Each time we fall, we gain new wisdom. Each failure gives us the insight we need to approach life differently, to adjust our course, and to try again with more knowledge, more strength, and more determination. Without failure, we would never learn our true capability. It's failure that molds us into the people we need to become to handle success. Consider this: the most successful people in the world are not the ones who avoided failure, but the ones who embraced it and kept moving forward. They understood that failure is a part of the journey, not the end. What sets them apart is not their ability to avoid mistakes, but their resilience in bouncing back and continuing to fight. Success isn't about never falling, it's about how you rise after you've been knocked down. So don't run from failure. Instead, let it fuel you. Let it drive you to work smarter, to be more creative, and to stay persistent even when things get tough. The fear of failure is the key to unlocking your true potential. It's the catalyst that transforms challenges into triumphs and adversity into growth. Embrace it, own it, and let it lead you to the life you've always dreamed of, because in the end, the fear of failure is your greatest ally in achieving greatness. Failure is often seen as a setback, a stumbling block, something to be avoided at all costs. But what if I told you that the fear of failure is actually one of your greatest assets? That's right, the very thing that most people fear the most is often the force that can propel us towards success. When we fear failure, it forces us to take action, to go beyond our limits, and to push ourselves further than we ever thought possible. Think about it. Every person who has ever achieved greatness has faced failure. Every entrepreneur, athlete, artist, and innovator has encountered setbacks and failures along their journey. What sets them apart is not their ability to avoid failure, but their ability to face it, learn from it, and rise again. Failure isn't the end of the road, it's simply a detour, a learning experience, and a stepping stone to greater success. The fear of failure makes us work harder, plan smarter, and be more diligent in our efforts. It sharpens our focus and strengthens our resolve. It challenges us to stay disciplined, persistent, and resilient, especially when things don't go as planned. Every time you fail and get back up, you become stronger, wiser, and more capable of handling the next challenge that comes your way. Remember, failure is not a reflection of who you are, but a reflection of what you've done and what you can learn from. Embrace failure, don't fear it. Each failure is an opportunity to grow, improve, and refine your skills. Don't let it defeat you, let it teach you. Because in the end, the fear of failure is the catalyst that drives you towards success, and the more you face it, the stronger you become. Oh, thank you for sticking with me until the end. Remember, the fear of failure is not something to be ashamed of or run from. It is a powerful force that, when embraced, can push you to achieve greatness. Every time you face a setback, see it as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve. Zakat, just like the fear of failure, is a powerful tool that shapes and refines you, making you stronger and more resilient in the face of challenges. So take that fear, channel it, and turn it into your greatest asset. Keep going, Keep striving and know that with every step, you are moving closer to the success you deserve. Thank you for watching, and always remember, with God's guidance, you can overcome any fear, no matter how big it seems.